In our previous video, we launched the HPE OpsRamp console from HPE GreenLake. What we need to do next is to set up this brand new instance of OpsRamp. Let's first create a client account. In a multi-tenant model, a client account represents a monitoring and management instance for an individual organization, a business unit, or a specific customer environment. By default, a client account is created with the name of the HPE GreenLake workspace. You may want to create additional client accounts for an individual organization, a business unit, or a customer environment. To create a new client account, we start from the OpsRamp console. From the top navigation menu, select Setup. Then from the left navigation bar, select Clients, and then Add, or if it's the first one you're creating in your partner account, click Create New. Fill up the requested fields. In our case, we create a client called Dream Company. We provide the address, the location, and the time zone. We keep the default selection for everything, and we select Next. We keep the default selection for product package entries, that is the hybrid discovery and monitoring, the event and incident management, and the remediation and automation, and we click Finish. Your client is now created. We can review the settings of our Dream Company client by selecting it from the list. Let's now review the default account management settings. By default, HPE GreenLake users with the OpsRamp access role granted in the workspace will have the role GLP Invited Partner User assigned in OpsRamp. From the top navigation menu, select Setup Account, and then select the User and Permission tile. In the permission sets, you can see the default permission sets created for these HPE GreenLake invited users. Select the GLP Invited Partner User to review the default permissions assigned. These are read-only, but new ones could be created. These permission sets are then assigned to roles, and then these roles are applied to users. We can review the settings for our user John Doe and verify that the roles used for John Doe is the GLP Invited Partner User. In our next video, we will show how to deploy a gateway in your environment to connect on-premises resources to OpsRamp.